All right, who wants an awesome breakfast?
Me! I love bacon and hash browns!
Yeah. Woo! Great job. All right, it's finally all ready right here. Look at that. Peeps, it's a winter weekend and we are heading out to a barbecue with these guys over here. We got Aiden in the house, big man. And we got Muhammad in the house. And we got a car over there pumping fuel. Gonna grab a couple of things and then we're heading out. It's gonna be awesome. Some more water?
Pumping iron.
A little bit of a workout before we go out. All right, it's a full house and we also got a couple of more people over here on the vlog. We got Aya and we got Ahlam, of course. We're fully stocked up like everything is all ready to go. Oh, rock and roll?
Rock and roll!
All right, let's get out of here. All right, you ready to go?
I do have a bag of things to play with though. Always prepared with games. So basically at school I made this. So I put water and then I put all kinds of nice glitter in it.
It's kind of like a snow globe.
And then you close the lid and shut it. Then when you shake it, it goes all hyper. When you keep it still, all the glitter is gone. It's kind of like mindfulness.
Mindful? How old are you? Why are you using the word mindful? I don't use the word mindfulness. How is she using the word mindfulness? How are you using the word mindfulness?
Maybe you should learn from Aya.
Maybe I have a better school from you! I dance better, but I'm not dancing.
All right, we are here and we got here a little bit darker than we would have wanted, but we're gonna set up. We love this spot. We were here on New Year. We dropped a pin and we're back here. Here we go. There we go. All right, come on out. Come on out. Come on out. Let's go. Make a fire. Here now and just putting up tents before everything. So here's one out here. Got this light so you can see the camera over there. There's Ahlam. 2 more tents coming on that side. Right here. Aya, your tent is all the way there. That's our campsite right there. Gonna make an awesome fire right there. Got blankets and everything.
Put this first.
Okay. What's this? Woo!
That's for you guys. You can put it in here.
Whoa, look at that. We got some light inside the tent. All right, amazing.
Go for it.
Oh, that's fantastic. It's beautiful. Girls, look at this awesome light we have inside.
Oh, nice.
Nice. All right, so this is the torbal on the floor, and then the tent goes on top of that. One more over there. So this is it. We actually have our own toilet seat. The toilet tent. It's got its own light. Goes in there. Also got water over here. Oh, what's up?
Like everybody takes their own.
Oh, we come with our own
we'll
light.
Heat down a light.
I got you. Okay, awesome.
Here we go.
Go. So that goes inside over there. And of course, there are plastic bags that go around and under that and everything. Got your own light, got your own water over here. All right, we found the perfect spot. I've got my shovel. We are on top of a sandy hill. Some of our footsteps, the rest of it is super clean. And we're gonna start by digging a hole for our wood. Made a little bit of a hole in a place where I saw that there's some old wood. An old fire was done here. That was actually us. Put this wood in the middle. This is how you gotta do the wood, guys. You gotta put a couple of pieces of wood like flat at the bottom, maybe on top of each other. And then you build like a little chimney type thing. It looks like a Native American tent. It looks like that. We put a little bit of this blue goo stuff on it because we want it to burn. And here we go. You guys ready? Our fire is gonna start. Got a little piece of paper over there as well. And everything else that I've got in my pocket. Got one of these as well. Still burn from all directions. We should be having a good fire quite soon. We're all set. cold?
If you were here, you would experience snakes biting you with coldness.
That's very creative.
Yeah.
What you making, man?
Shanklish.
Shanklish in the middle of the desert?
Yep.
I love shanklish too.
Hashtag.
Never thought about having it in the middle of the desert, but what you got right there?
Bell peppers, green. The neighbor has to be green. Got some organic cherry tomatoes, some green chilies, some onion, some olive oil.
And then the key ingredient?
Shanklish. It's the Arabic blue cheese.
Ooh! Oh. Manually done with this right here.
Needs one last thing. Olive oil from the motherland.
Ooh, it's nice and like chili and spicy too. Nice. All right, get a little bit of this super thin Saj bread.
Yeah.
Look at that, look at that. All right, we're ready to go to bed. The sky looks awesome. The moon is just beautiful. We're headed in to our tent, which has some awesome lighting. I'm going to take off my shoes. Oh man, it's gonna be awesome. It's super dark, but I love this. Ready to go to bed?
Ready.
All right.
Hope we don't freeze.
No, we'll be fine. Good night, y'all. Bye-bye. Beautiful day. Our tents, 3 of us, and Mohammed is already up making breakfast. What's up, dude? Noise travels here in the desert, so you gotta keep your volume low because everybody can hear. And Mom's making the good stuff. What's up, dude? You slept well? Is that coffee? We can get ready to eat breakfast. What a beautiful day.
It's amazing outside.
Good morning, you.
Morning.
How's it going?
Good.
What kind of coffee is that?
Timor Less from Raw Coffee, freshly roasted. And that is my favorite travel coffee mill. It's from REI. It's amazing. And it has a ceramic grinder, not a plastic one.
If you haven't tried raw coffee, then you're talking to the wrong family.
That was a public service announcement from Aya.
Good.
You want to get some tea before you go?
Okay, then.
Alright, nice water.
Okay.
All right, you going exploring?
Yep.
All right, amazing. It is freezing. I mean, what would the temperature be right now? Like 8, 10, or colder? Yes, it's cold. Look what we're wearing, and it's super cold.
It was definitely.
It was definitely colder last night. Last night was probably something like that. But it's cold. You cannot not be near the fire. My hands are numb. That's how cold it is. Aya's out. She's going exploring. Everyone else is still sleeping. But you can't sleep a lot in the desert. It's one of those things, right? We slept, I think, around 1. I was up at like 5:30. It was still a little bit dark, and then woke up at 6:30. Light like this. But yeah, you can't get a lot of sleep in the desert. And sound. We're not far away from the road, so some cars here and there. Whew, fantastic. Oh, there we go.
I'll put the filter in there. It's not needed really because look, it already has holes at the bottom, but I like a clean coffee. I don't like coffee dust going into the coffee.
Oh, here. Oh, it goes straight into the pot.
Yeah, so I was looking for a way where I could make the most amount of coffee in one go. And this is an old school, it's called a percolator. And in a second, you'll know why they call it that. And you know it's ready
Yeah.
when that happens.
The coffee's ready?
The coffee's not ready, but it's ready to percolate. And what you do is you time it for 10 minutes. And what happens is the hot water is being pushed up that pipe and it starts to spurt on the coffee, which goes through the coffee back down, and it just keeps on doing that. And then in 10 minutes, we're gonna have amazing coffee. The best part is you can't mess it up because the coffee stays above the water, always.
The gang is up right here. Aiden, what's up?
What's up?
And somebody's in the car.
We're gonna have to hit 1 million likes. No, like for my mom.
Are we going exploring?
Yes.
Let's go. Where are we going?
So I thought that we could go a bit uphill, and if you want, we can go somewhere over there.
What's up, Ahlam? She's up as well. All right, let's go. So uphill.
So let's go uphill, and then
Aiden's washing his hands.
that water is freezing cold when I had to use the toilet. I just literally ran to the campsite to get a tissue.
Look at this. This looks like gazelle or oryx droppings. You know what an oryx is?
Mm-mm.
It's that animal that looks like a goat, except it's got those two super long horns.
Oh.
Yeah.
Should we follow them? Or nah?
Let's go explore.
I want to follow those. It looks interesting.
Let's do it. Oh, it disappeared now. Yeah, it's not gonna let you find it. Then they can't survive.
Oh man.
If it was that easy to find them.
Me and Oric.
All right, let's go.
So I'm thinking let's go uphill if you cannot see my footprints.
Oh yeah, look at this. Look over here, sand. This sand looks like it was wet a little while ago because obviously it was raining. And then you got these hills with
No
the
wonder I thought I heard someone tapping on my tent the whole time.
No, there was nobody tapping on your tent.
It was the rain. Of
Here we
course.
go. Look at this clean, beautiful,
Okay,
sandy
now let's look
hill.
back at our footprints. Does it look clean?
Yep, there we go. We messed this beautiful thing that Mother Nature makes.
Oh, Mother Nature. What is this?
Whatever it is, don't touch it. Oh, it's just wood. Somebody was making a fire over here, just like what we're doing all the way over there.
Goodness gracious.
Great balls of fire! Are you trying to get one of those Instagram shots? Is that what you're trying to do?
Nope. I don't even have Instagram. What's Instagram?
You know exactly what Instagram is, just because you don't have it. But what were you doing right now? What were you trying to show me?
I'm showing you that if you do this, it looks like you're playing with my family and
Let me see.
the
Do that again.
things.
Do that again. Let me see.
Oh yeah. Cool. We got mystery.
Yeah, this is really cool. Last night, a car passed by from here, which is these tracks right here. And then we see these tracks from, this is definitely either a gazelle or an oryx. Can't be anything else. Two of them. And these tracks are fresh after tire tracks of the car, which I think drove by around 11 p.m. last night. So this was sometime either at night while we were sleeping or early this morning while we were sleeping.
I think the tracks end.
Okay, enough exploring.
Yeah.
Let's go, Bint Battuta.
Let's go!
All right, who wants an awesome breakfast?
Me! I want bacon and hash browns and eggs!
That's not a very Bedouin breakfast, is it?
Yeah, it's called the Lawrence of Arabia breakfast.
Bacon and eggs, hash brown.
Yay!
Come on, do your duty. Let me see what you're gonna do.
You better do your duty for the bacon then.
Yalla, yalla, let's see this.
Ah! Ah!
Those two
Throw in the
are
fire, throw in the fire. Don't throw it on top, throw it in the
for Auntie Ahlam.
In the fire, I said!
When you break it, okay, don't push from the edges, from the center. No, don't pull it apart. Okay, what you do is you push your thumbs in.
Woo!
Great job.
Now, are you ready for the beans? Now what you guys have to do is open all of these and put it to one side. That's looking good, guys. I think that's enough, right? That's the last one, right?
I think it's more than enough. I won't even do this. But that's looking like a Spanish type omelet, courtesy of this lovely little girl.
Thank you.
Oh, got some buns over there. Yeah, look at those buns heating up. Beef bacon coming up very soon. Also chopping up some onions for some grilled onions, huh?
Yes.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Some potatoes being chopped over there as well. Look at that, a little bit of skin. Nice. Nice job there with the onion. Now push him and mix him around, mix him around, mix him around. There you go. There you go.
Nice potatoes, Dad. And as you can see, Aiden Parham is kind of like peeling the potatoes. Angela's doing her own thing over there. And Mom was over there, but as I said, 1 million likes, we get her on the cam.
Cyclists right here in the morning. Look at this. This is the Khudra cycling track, so this is a full team cycling right there early morning. I think this gentleman is ready to eat. He's got his bowl.
I got my bowl.
You got your bowl as well? All right, it's finally all ready right here. Look at that. Potatoes right there. The crisp. Take the lid off that one just to show everybody what's up. Woo! Look at that. All right.
AKA potato. Right here.
Oh, it's nice and charred at the bottom. Super crispy. Look at that. Right in there as well. Got a couple of these bacons.
I put a lot because I
And
mixed it all together.
Some of this awesome
Give them more flavor.
beans. All right, let's do this. Give this a taste and tell you guys what it is like. Nice.
Is it?
Great job, guys. All right, and that is the end of our overnight camping trip right here in the Dubai desert. I'm not gonna tell you the exact spot because this is our spot, but what you're gonna love to hear is there actually is a ton of space all over Dubai for you to find your spot. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, write me some comments, write me some comments, and peace out until next time.